Hello students, in today's class we are going to learn about types of forests found in India. There are 5 major types of vegetation in India: tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forests, montane forests and mangrove forests. Tropical evergreen forest. These forests remain green throughout the year because there is no particular leaf shedding season. The forests are found in areas where amount of rainfall is more than 200 centimeter and temperatures are high. The trees are very tall, sometimes the height may be up to 60 meters, and very dense forests. A large number of species of trees grow in small areas. Generally, the woods of these forests are hard. These forests are rich in wildlife. Elephant, monkeys, lemur, deer are common animals found in these forests. Island group of India, Western Ghats and northeastern part of India have evergreen forests. These are also known as tropical rainforest. Rubber, ebony, mahogany are common variety of trees found here. Areas of tropical evergreen forests are marked with the help of dark green shade, comprising both the island group, western coastal plain, parts of Tamil Nadu and northeastern parts of India. Tropical deciduous forests are found in areas where amount of rainfall is between 70 centimeter to 200 centimeters. These forests are also known as monsoon forests. They shed their leaves for 6 to 8 weeks during early dry summer season to conserve moisture. These are most widespread and cover maximum part of India. These forests are of great commercial value and can be divided into two categories, that is dry deciduous and moist deciduous. Teak, sal, shisham, neem, mango are few examples. These forests are prone to fire and variety of animals are found here. Let's find the difference between dry and moist deciduous forests. The areas where amount of rainfall is in between 70 to 100 centimeter, dry deciduous forests are found. Bihar, Uttar Pradesh are the areas. Teak, sal, peepal, neem are example. Large part has been cleared for agriculture and grazing. Second part of deciduous forest is moist deciduous. The areas where amount of rainfall is 100 to 200 centimeter. Northeastern states, eastern slope of Western Ghat, Odisha, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh have moist deciduous forests. Bamboo, sandalwood, mulberry, teak are common examples. The light green shade is used to represent deciduous forest, and it seems that whole of India is under deciduous forests. Tropical thorn forests are found in areas where amount of rainfall is less than 70 centimeter. The areas are Rajasthan, semi-arid regions of Gujarat, parts of Madhya Pradesh, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. These forests consist of date, palm, kikar, babool, bushes and shrubs. The trees have thick leaves and deep roots so that they can take moisture from subsoil. The stems are thick to conserve water. Camels, rats, wolf, wild asses are common variety of animals found in tropical thorn forests. This is how tropical thorn forests look like. Mangrove forests. These forests are found in the delta regions of Ganga, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. In Ganga-Brahmaputra delta, these tidal forests are known as Sundarbans after the Sundari tree found here. The wood of this tree is used as fuel and for the construction of boats. These forests are also found in other tidal zones and swamps. They are also called tidal forests or deltaic forests. Royal Bengal tiger, turtle, crocodile, ghadial and snakes are the varieties of animal found here. Picture showing tidal forests or mangrove forests. In mountainous regions, climate changes with altitude. Temperature especially goes on decreasing with increase in height. Vegetation ranging from tropical to alpine type is found in Himalayan region according to varying height. In the foothills of Himalayas, deciduous forests are found. At height of 1000 to 2000 meter, wet temperate forests are found. Oak and chestnut are common trees. At the height of 1500 to 3000 meter, temperate forests such as pine, silver fir, spruce are found. At altitude of 3000 to 3600 meter, temperate forest grasslands are found. Beyond 3600 meters, shrubs, scrubs, and above that, alpine grassland and mosses and lichens, the tundra type of vegetation is found. These three factors are responsible for variety of natural vegetation found in mountain regions, that is, decrease in temperature, increase in height, and change in type of precipitation. In next lecture, we will continue with conservation of natural vegetation and wildlife. Thank you. Have a nice day.